Welcome to our cooking show. We're going to make orange and lemon and strawberry cake. We need milk and we need sugar and we need eggs, oranges and lemon and strawberries. And then we get the milk, we pour it in, and then we get the sugar, and then we mix it, and then we put the powder, and then we mix it, and then when it's ready, we grab the bowl and we go to the oven, put it in, and then while we're doing that, we make the icing and everything we need to put on the cake. And since we're having orange, lemon, and strawberry, we're going to make orange and yellow and pinkish red icing. And so first we get the strawberries, and then we cut them, and then we squash them, and then we get the lemon and cut it. And then we get all the juice out of it, and then put the juice in the cake. And then the same for the orange, and then we get the cake out of the oven, and then we make. But we do need to wait for it to cool down before we put the icing on. And then we put the icing on, and then we've done our cake.